What's happening, everyone? Today we installing X9000 controller on standard man surround. Today I'll be assisting with this install for the most part. Stan said he wanted to get his hands dirty. Looking real pretty. So yeah, let's get into it. A lot heavier than I expected. Just around regen. Got the regen. If you're gonna use a computer to tune it, I guess. Bluetooth. I guess if you're gonna use another application with it, other than the Surround or Talaria. One of these are for Surround, one for Talaria. I think we're gonna use this one, I believe. I think this one will be for the Talaria based on this plug right here. Educated guess. Standard man is removing the stock controller. Once he do that, we'll slap on the X9000. It's the version 2, right?
Yeah.
X9000 version 2. She be real beefy, real heavy EBMX. Oh yeah, probably. Gotta drop the horn down.
Okay. I don't know how it's so long. Oh, you're holding it.
Hold up. Yeah, that's right. This bracket right here.
It's moving. No, it's moving, but I guess I don't know how would you disconnect it unless you bring it all the way up. Way heavy.
Probably want to plug these in first.
Yeah.
Plug that up in the back first.
It's what, one you don't use?
My calculated guess was wrong.
I think they said you take this one out.
So I guess we removed the display also.
Oh yeah. Almost forgot.
So you're gonna be using this other. And then this is your region if you're gonna use the region. I mean, you can hook it up if you want, I don't know. I don't like that. We still gotta fish the what you call it out then.
Display?
Yeah, that'll be the display, the speedo display. And the new display. Like the egg rider, it might be a tad slimmer.
It's tight.
Almost like a gasket.
I mean, once it's there, right, and I don't press it, it's not active.
No, I don't, no.
So I would have to press it.
Yeah.
Where should I put this?
So that's for the Bluetooth. We're gonna let that hang out. They let it stick out by the battery cover.
See, these got two on them. These got two. These got the lock washers on the top, and then the flat washer. You know why they don't even got no instructions. None. I don't really need it still, but it'll help. I knew it right on the screwdriver.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh. 1 second, hold on.
Good. Get on and do a full detail. Alright. Got the X9000 in there. Had a little fight with the wires. Controller installed. I'll probably put a screw right here. Display working. When you plug it in, that second plug you don't have to plug that in. Don't plug that in on the surround. The second plug, only plug the power plug in. The other one, don't plug that in. And downloaded the app, got everything up on here. I ran through the basic settings already. Ran settings, no. Did everything in the general settings. That's basically most things you gotta do. The bike type, surround, the batteries, the stock battery, whatever. And street mode. It automatically went to 75 and 80 amps, so I just left it. I'll play around with that later. Wheel diameter, it's a little off right now. It's like, what's that, about a 24-inch wheel? If you measure it from the floor to the top from the bottom of the tire to the top, is about 24 inches. It's like 600 and about maybe 30. It's kind of about 630 something millimeters, I think. Gear ratio, I haven't been able to figure how to set that because it's kind of limited. Oh yeah, it's limited. I can't set that decimal. No, not the decimal. I can't set that. I can't seem to set that. So everything else you could change. Celsius to Fahrenheit, kilometers or miles or whatever, etc. So I did all of that. So brake sensor, tilt sensor, kickstand and stuff like that, coolant pump, all that. I left all that off. What else did I mess with? Controller calibration. I just went through the list. Throttle, twist throttle. Did the setup and everything. Thumb throttle, I didn't do that. Set the fuel weakening to 45%. Horse sense, I did the calibration. The wheels are moved. The wheels are spin real slow, so you gotta raise the bike up. That was about it. We good to go. And if it's on race mode, there's 3 settings on race mode too. I also set that up. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I just changed it a little. And to get it onto street mode, you gotta turn the bike on, and then within about 10 or 15 seconds, you gotta hold the M down and select street mode. Yeah, and that's about it. I guess he'll decide where you wanna put this is for the regen. I guess he'll decide where you wanna put this. Or when you first set it up, I might have said that already, you should have disconnected. When you first turn on the bike, you should have disconnected. Otherwise, you might see an error. And you might see an error even if this is connected, because the battery might not be set up to the correct voltage or something like that. I seen error 18, and yeah, after a while I figured that I had to connect the regen, and also did not connect that square plug for the battery. Only connect the two, the red and the black. You're good to go.